So we have this headlight. It is not original BMW. It is a copy, exactly a Russian copy from Euro M72, which it is copied after BMW R71, and we are using this headlight shell. We have to make some modifications. We have applied this mount for the headlight switch, which it goes here like this. In order to put in the correct position this mount, we had the luck to have this headlight shell, which is from Avo Simpson. It is almost the same headlight, but not the same. But here in interior we have the same mount for the headlight switch, and I have measured and I have put the mount in the same position. Also, I have made this hole right here, and this small mount here, this ear, because we have this rim, which is Bosch. I don't know if it is a replica or if it is original. I will ask the owner, because he is the one who bought this rim. And this is one of the mounts of the rim, and I had to make this mount in order to fit with the rim. As you can see, we have a nice fitting. I have worked a lot to make that mount, but I have succeeded to do it. Also, I don't know if you can see. You can see here one point, and we have also another point here. Here there was two little bolts like this one, but smaller, in order to keep this socket for the bulb light. This bulb light is for the speedometer, but the original headlight of the BMW did not have this bolts, press bolts here, because the switch had the light for the speedometer. So we are keeping this socket, and we will have the light for the speedometer. Otherwise, the headlight shell, it is good. Had some small problems, but I have managed to remove on these holes, and now it is okay. This is the switch for the headlight. It is a new replica, but it's nicely done. It is working just fine. And this is the Bosch headlight. Also a nice piece. Now I have to solve another problem. These are the mounts for the headlight. here we have 8mm bolts, but the threads are not good. I had to strip down because they were worn out. This is happening for the most of the headlights because you have here only 2, maximum 3 threads, and in time they are running out quite quickly because of the time, because of the rust. So I have made a bush. As you can see, it is in 2 stages. We have 8mm with thread, and here we have another stage with 10mm. This way it can fit exactly in the headlight. So I have made on my lathe, I have made this bush. I have to make the other one also, but as you can see, I can put the bush here. I will put the bolt, and now it is tight, and this is the bush inside. I have to weld here and here, 2 points of welding, and you will have a nice mount and also powerful. You can use, if you don't have these bushes, you can use a nut, 8mm nut like this one, but you have to make the stage, to make the nut in 2 stages in order to fit in the headlight. I have made this round bush because only because it is looking nicer. If you put this nut and weld inside, you will have a good fit, a powerful thread, but it is not so nice, even though you cannot see the nut from outside. But if you want to make something nice, you go with a round bush. So now I have the bushes ready. You can see they are assembled in position. I just have to weld. But as you can see, it is nice. I have made the bushes 16mm long. You can do whatever dimension you want. 10mm, 12mm, 15mm, 20mm if you want, but you don't have the reason to make a bush this long for this mount. But it is important to be welded in position. So I have welded the bushes. You can see the thread inside, the welding points. So now we have some strong mounts for the headlight shell.